Welcome friends, with you today, Apple's Final Cut Pro application. The innovations it brings and the budget. How to compete in friendly solutions, I'll show you we can. Final Cut Apple Multicam application non-pro developed. So Final Cut Pro connect your phones to the application and use Multicam from there. Multiple at the same time using the feature you can record with more cameras. Then do this in Final Cut Pro. By entering the program and there, you can do video editing. Doğrudaki zelik kudukam kadarıyla. iPhone cihazlarının ikarizin doğrudan. Kayıt yaparak tablet cihazda Final Cut Pro üzerinden. Bu izlemi. İknedebiliyorsunuz. Final Cut. This is how the Pro app creates videos it allows us to edit. iPad. One of the innovations brought by Make Video recordings as Multicam, we were able to edit from here. You sync your devices with iPad. What you took with your phone's videos on Final Cut Pro you are editing. After registering, Final Cut Pro video files over the network is transferred into. This process may take time. High quality videos, save it for later. Editing your videos, you are doing. You have set up more than one device, recorded in this way. You can start and control multiple scenarios, screens, cameras from here and this way. You can use the Multicam feature in the Final Cut Pro application. We talked about recording video using multiple phones and then editing it in the Final Cut Pro application. Now, what can you do as an alternative when you don't have iPad or iPhone devices? Let me show you that. As you know, there is a program called Skirky in the GitHub library. In my previous videos, I showed you what we can do with this program. We have seen what we can do with the connection options such as Wi-Fi and USB cable. Now I am transferring audio from one of our devices via cable and using it as a microphone. The other device is also ready for use via Wi-Fi. Now I will connect to the phone via IP using the following command. Now, we are connected to our device via Wi-Fi, and since I have turned on the USB debugging feature, I can now manage this device from the computer. I will do it like this. I went into the camera application. After entering the camera application from here, I can manage the phone from the computer and intervene in the phone settings so that I can take photos and videos. I come to the video part from here. I can now manage my phone from the computer at the resolution I want. Here's the feature I'm going to show you now. We entered the OBS program. From here I opened a scene called Multicam. You just open a new scene and give it a name. I named it, "This place is empty. Our stage is empty." We add a game capture object here. When I select my Xiaomi phone from the specific section, the image appears here. You can use this feature to record screens and manage your Multicam options here. Now let's get to the Multicam scene. Let's do the previous feature. Our image is here now. By the way, when I minimize this from the desktop, it is there. You do not experience any problems. Make it smaller like this and make it horizontal like this. Once we divide the screen into a nicely balanced aspect, you can connect other phones wirelessly or via USB cable and start recording from there. I will try now. Now we got into the camera part. When I start video recording from here, it saves it to my phone storage and I can see the latest status in the OBS program from here. My phone is currently connected wirelessly. From here we can direct the scene however we want. You can connect more than one phone, connect it via USB, as long as your computer can handle the connection, and experiment with devices that support high data speed via cable or Wi-Fi connection, so there is no number limit here. I am currently recording on my Android phone from here. Since I recorded sound with one of my phones, I projected a single phone screen for you here. You can project multiple screens here. We make separate connections to each device by opening a separate terminal window for each device. We can easily manage the phone screen by controlling it from here, that is, from the computer. You can record on your phone or on your computer via OBS Studio. I stopped recording. I record via computer. When I minimize this, we continue to see it from here. Let's come to the Multicam part. I add a game capture object to the scene. We have now projected the phone vertically here. I went to the camera section of the phone. Yes, we can mirror correctly. Currently, the phone transfers images wirelessly. When we want to save the video, I will save it to the phone. There is no data transfer problem. Now this is the scenario where you can manage the phone screen from the computer. You can also do this scenario. I am currently transferring images to the screen. Now let's reduce this to icon status. Here we select our phone from the Multicam section and game capture section, and, as you can see, the phone transfers images here wirelessly in 1080p. You can create Multicam scenarios wirelessly by projecting for different phone cameras here and recording them directly into the OBS. You can also transfer 4K resolution images wirelessly from any device and directly use the image you receive via OBS Studio. So now I have shown you more than one alternative to Final Cut Pro. We have come to the end of our review video. See you in our next videos. Goodbye.